Hello, dear children. Welcome back to Echo's class. Children, in the previous video, I told you how to download the Oxford Arial app in your mobile. Hope you all have done that. Okay, dear children? Now, I request all of you to open page number 13 and I shall be giving you an animation over here. Listen carefully and get well the pronunciation used in the chapter.
You shouldn't be trekking so late in the evening. The place is extremely dangerous.
Which place, sir?
The patch in the woods you just walked through is full of snakes. Anyway, I am greatly relieved to see you unharmed.
To think that we walked through that patch, totally unaware of the dangers.
In future, we need to be pretty careful when we go through unknown places.
I think we should talk to a few local people before we go on our treks.
Hello there!
No one can hear you. The folks are all sound asleep, having their afternoon nap. As for the gardener, he is stone deaf. By the way, do you need anything?
It's unusually warm today and we've run out of water. We just wanted to fill our bottles.
You can try the house over that little hill.
Are you sure someone lives there?
Certainly. And I'm absolutely certain that they will be wide awake at this time and be quite helpful too.
How do you know?
Because that's where I live. I'll call them up and tell them you're coming. Bye.
Children, if you have listened the audio and read the chapter, you might have noticed the use of adjectives, because the name of our chapter is describing things. So the word which describes a noun or pronoun is called an adjective. So many adjectives have been used here. Look at page number 14, written some lines in red pen. When we describe things, we often use adjectives. Sometimes we add an adverb before the adjective to show the degree or the intensity of the quality. Now you can see some adverbs with adjectives are used here. See example, peaceful. Okay, this peaceful, and with this wonderfully. Okay, then confident. What is used? Pretty confident. Unlucky is adjective and singularly is adverb. Next is clear, adjective. But what is adverb? Absolutely. So I wanted you to notice the use of these words in the conversation done by these boys over here. Okay, dear children. So now read it again and try to find out such words in the sentence. Okay, dear children. Children, for the assignment, I would suggest that you should give me the voice over, the audio of this chapter, okay, as you have been doing in the previous classes. So go through the chapter again, listen to the animation that I have given you, okay, and very carefully you have to listen it, the use of pronunciation of different words, then send me your voiceover. Okay, dear children, till then take care, bye bye. चलो आप इसको भी अपलोड